Hi, thank you for coming to my channel, Nikki Boo. This is my mukbang again. I want y'all to check out my other ones. Um, I had a shrimp nacho one, neck bones, gumbo twice. This is oxtails. I don't want to lose that oxtail. Oxtails, rice, gravy, greens, cornbread. It's going down. Okay, let me get my thumbnail. I don't want the water in it. I want options. All right. So, my grace. Amen. Oh, do I deliver? Nah, I just cook for the fam. Baby, this is good. It don't gotta be that good. Oxtails, baby. They were like $12.49. Damn. I just got them at the grocery store. I don't order it, none of that. I might have to start a delivery service. My food is looking that good now. What? I need y'all on my
Mama,
man, it's all slow without you. What, baby?
Dad, I want some water.
It's some water right there. In the package over there.
I mean cold water.
You heard him though? He mean cold water. Is the cold water in there?
Oh no, there's no more.
And the cold water over there. That one.
Slide that over there.